Hey everybody, Jeff with ID10T Garage as always, and just wanted to give you guys an update. I haven't really been recording, but I've been working hard on the 66 and 2001 conversion as much as I can. I've got some other things to do with the Plymouth. I just got it back from getting the rear end rebuilt, so I need to work on it because June is next month, and now I got the power tour. But I wanted to give an update on the 66. So I've went through here and I've got the body back off. And I started cleaning up these rockers. I patched the front and the back. They were really rough and had some rust holes on both sides. So I went ahead and got those cut out and welded in more 18 gauge metal. And I need to go through and spot weld the rockers. You can see here, whoever did this did just a couple tacks and a couple sheet metal screws. So I need to make sure that's in there secure. With me cutting them off, they're in good enough position I can manage with them. But got that all cleaned up. Probably need to do a little more cleanup. As you can see, they did drilled a lot of holes. I'm guessing this is kind of like going to be a street or a track car or a mud racing car, circle track, whatever. They were trying to make some lightweight and get rid of some stuff. But either way, we got that there. And I cleaned up the rockers on the 01 as well. Went ahead and just got all the stuff off of there. Basically the pinch weld, I had to drill it out and hammer it out and stuff like that, and got rid of that. And I've put weld through primer on it, and I also cleaned up this top edge and got weld through primer on it. So both sides. Still a lot more to do here, obviously. I'm probably going to cut an angle down on this bracket and give it like a 45. That way I have the ability to still work on the B pillars on that 66. So, but as you can see, it's all kind of going together. This is my box for the AC. I went ahead and plugged the main piece here, made a triple defroster area, and 3D printed this little thing that allow me to do the side vent, and this will be the one that goes to the center. So got everything set there. I've got my adapter for this. I still got to put on it as well, and it's kind of hanging there loosely, but we are making progress, getting things done. It's just slow and sure. I'm trying to decide what I want to do with the wipers, because it's easy to drill a hole for this wiper right here. And I'll probably have to cut a hole in the hood if I want to maintain. Because what I'm thinking is we can maintain this and just shorten the wiper arms. Weld those together and should be able to get it to function. I could be wrong there. I'm just not sure yet. So, got to figure that out. Because I got to figure out what I got to do with my cowl. Because I probably need to trim to keep this right here. It's very close, but it's binding just a little bit. And then this here is just a matter of, like I said, it's probably going to have to, notch the hood to keep that in place and be able to, lift the hood. And we'll just see, because I don't know how I'm going to mount the hood, if I'm going to do standard, or maybe I'll front mount it and have it come out the front and just do some pins back here or something like that. We'll see. Lots of things that really kind of figure out still, so... But just want to give you guys a quick update on what's going on, and we'll talk to you soon.